everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for your health and your home. Toxin-free living. I mean, reducing our toxic exposure or harmful chemicals as much as possible. The good news, it doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. In fact, I'm going to show you some easy beginner-friendly steps to detox your life, and we'll even incorporate some amazing essential oils along the way. So step 1, ditch the chemical cleaners. Now, many store-bought cleaning products, ironically, are filled with toxins that can irritate your skin and lungs. But don't worry, making your own cleaner is super simple and affordable. Now, here's my go-to recipe. Combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and about 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. I love using lemon because it's naturally antibacterial and smells amazing. Shake it up and you've got a powerful toxin-free cleaner for countertops, windows, and more. Now you'll need a 16-ounce spray bottle, and I choose an amber one to preserve the quality of the essential oils from light. Next up, create a toxin-free sleep environment. Now, sleep is so important for your body to repair itself. So swap out artificial air fresheners and candles for an essential oil diffuser. For better sleep, add a few drops of lavender and/or chamomile oil to your diffuser. The calming aroma will help you unwind and drift off naturally. Now, doTERRA actually has a whole sleep system of 3 products using their restful blend, Serenity. Now, the oil is diffused. The stick with valerian is applied to your temples, the back of your neck, or your feet. And then a gel cap with L-theanine for added relaxation support, and tart cherry to support your body's melatonin production is taken internally. Now, I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in checking this product out. I'll also link an ebook on sleep and essential oils in the description. Now, step 3, take your shoes off. Now, many people already do this, but I never did until I was well into this journey. So I'm just saying this in case you're like me. Don't walk around your house with your outdoor shoes on. Your shoes can bring in harmful chemicals, germs, bacteria from the outside into your living space. Now, not only that, but leaving your shoes at the door will also save you time vacuuming. So see, toxin-free living doesn't have to be hard. With a few simple swaps and some help with essential oils, you can make your home a healthier place for you and your family. So let me know in the comments what tip you're going to try first, or share your own toxin-free living ideas. I'd love to hear them. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on living your best life. Until next time, take care and stay toxin-free.